happy to have you guys all here with us for this very special day. If you want to leave us a message that we can look back on and remember how perfect this day was.
They have the strongest foundation because they're each other's biggest cheerleaders, which I feel like is the foundation. They are best friends and always have each other's back. The one piece of advice I give is always give grace, because everyone's trying very hard to make things perfect, but we all could use a little grace. And always just make each other laugh, because laughter fixes everything.
And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for your hunger. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for you. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for your sorrow to land on me. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for the future. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for us. And I've been wishing, wishing, wishing for your laughter to land on me. Lay your trust, your burden. Lay your hope on me. Take this love that I got. If you want it. And I've been waiting, waiting, waiting for a reason